So, hi guys! I miss speaking sa inyong lahat. Hala, may pa-cover ka, alam mo naman. So anyways, I'm going out for today. And this is my, joke lang, this is not my outfit. So let's get dressed with me! I'm so excited! Pero hindi pa to So, to start, parang uulan. I'm thinking of wearing something na komportable ako, na hindi ako magpa-pants today. So let's start. So for my top, I'll be using this, yung pag-ganon-ganon, para mabilis tayong sa kanila. Charot lang. Anyways, this is from Wild Fable. It's giving Brazilian flag talaga. Next time, Brazilian wax naman. The top, sobrang green na green, sobrang pink na pink. So, sobrang ganda. Binili ko na to sa ukay-ukay for 3 for 100. That is for, convert natin, like approximately $2 lang. May tatlo na akong tops. Hindi to, 3 tops lang. Ang talaga nito, 6 na to. So, 3 lang. So, for my bottoms, I'm gonna wear shorts lang para comfortable tayo, right? So, for the shorts, I'll be wearing a white one. White one. Kasi magiging complementary sila ng super colorful na top. And then, super plain lang na color. Color white. I'm thinking of black, pero like parang hindi siya bagay. So, let's try this on. So, ito na siya. Sabi ni mama, mag-wear daw ako ng cycling. Kala mo naman tamang demure yung anak niya. Hindi naman. Kaya nga ako nagaganito kasi ayoko na ng mga cycling. Pero like, sabi ni mama, sige, mag-wear ka kasi kapag magaganyan ka, makikita yung buli mo. Sige, mag-wear ako. Dahil gusto ng mama ko. Magi-green sana ako na shoes, pero sobrang OA na sa greenery. Para na akong tanim nito. So, I'm thinking just to wear this lang. Pero like, eksena lang na ano. Mag-cheer sa Brazilian Football Cup. meron bang Brazilian Football Cup? So, this is it. Grabe, wala namang ilaw to. So, this is it. This is my outfit for today. Like, ano lang. Let's go, Brazil! Let's go! Char. So, kung malamigan ako later, I'll be using this. Kasi I'm going to a coffee shop to work on something, like a report or like create a PowerPoint presentation because my tita asked me to do it. And I think it's okay. So I'll wear this maybe later when I'm very, very cold because of the moment I feel so hot. My sweat are very rushing like a... For the bag, since I don't have a laptop bag, my laptop is here and my keyboard is here. Kasi sira yung keyboard ng laptop ko, kaya meron akong external keyboard. Sobrang laki pa. Pero okay lang. And nandito na din yung bag ko, nilagay ko na dyan. Kasi ayokong mabitbit ng dalawang bag. So, ayun. So, this is my outfit lang. Parang magka-camp naman ang babaeng ito. So, this is my outfit. Pwede din ilagay dito to. Para safe yung bobs natin. Bobs talaga. So, ayan na siya. This is it for my outfit today. 360. So, I'm heading out now and see you here sa coffee shops here in Bacolod City. I may be at Bob's, I may be at Kinos, I may be at Drip. Kala mo naman talaga. So, yeah, see you and have a great day.